What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I have something a little special for you today, a special product, especially for those that are entrepreneurs or business owners. Okay, this is going to make your life easier on a day-to-day basis. But first, before I get into it, give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and let's roll that intro. Now, as an entrepreneur, I know what it's like to go to an event and have to carry a fat stack of business cards with you. And I know it's uncomfortable. I know it's a pain. So, in today's video, I have a special product, and this product is going to make things easier for you when you go to these events or when you go to a special occasion and you want to connect with other people and be able to hand out that contact information. Now, instead of carrying that fat stack of business cards with you, I have a product for you called Linq. Linq is a digital business card that you can carry with you on a day-to-day basis to all your events, to all your special occasions, and you can use it to transfer your contact information to another person. All you have to do is bump this card up to the person's phone, and your contact information link will automatically drop down and show all of your social media information, all your contact information right there in one space. Now, on top of the business card that they also have bracelets that will do the same exact thing, have the same exact technology in it that will have your contact information in it. All you have to do is download the Linq app, set up your profile, and then link your products to the app, and then this will have your whole thing set up and ready for you to connect with other entrepreneurs. No, I'm not sponsored by this product, but as an entrepreneur, I've noticed it has made my life easier, so I wanted to share this product with you guys so that way you have this information as well. I think it's around $10 for the card, and I want to say for the bracelets, I think it's $15 for the bracelets. Now, the new watch bands that they have on the website, I think, are around $45. But if you're somebody that don't like bracelets and you don't have enough room for another credit card or a card in your wallet, the watch band is probably the best way for you to go. Now, if you have any questions about this product that I haven't answered for you, let me know in the comments below and I will answer them. If you haven't, like this video, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys on the next one. Peace.